What is up, people? In this video I'm going to show you how to make position lights quick and easy. Let's start by removing the plastic. I am not cutting on the edge, but a bit inside of the detail. This way I am going to be able to precisely remove the unwanted material using a file. You can also use a scalpel blade. To smoothen and clean up the surface, I use Mr. Cement S or SP. Then, using the smallest drill bit, I drill a pilot hole. Check your references where the bulb should be. Then, using a drill bit with the same size as the bulb, I make the hole wider. Make sure you hit the notification bell, otherwise my latest videos most likely will not get to you. For the bulb, I use stretched clear sprue. For the left wing, I dip the sprue in transparent red paint, and for the right in green. Quick layer of silver paint for the reflector. And let's push the bulb in place. Make sure it doesn't protrude outside of the light housing. Give yourself as much room as possible. Now let's start layering CA glue. The secret here is not to try filling the space in one go. After the first two layers, I applied some CA glue activator, just a tiny bit. I continue building up the detail layer by layer. I apply more layers than the housing needs so I can shape it. To shape the housing, first I use a rough file to remove the bulk material faster. I keep on removing material with the file until I am almost level with the rest of the surface. Then I switch to 320 grit sandpaper because I don't want to leave too big sanding marks on the surface. After the housing is level with the wing surface, I start to polish it with a handy nail file with several grits. You can also do some polishing with the compound. Moving through the steps of the nail file, you will see how the housing gets clearer. It is important to take care of the surrounding areas too. If you think it is appropriate for your model, you can polish the housing with some compound. In this case, I am using Tamiya's finishing compound. When masking for painting, make sure you mask a bit into the housing to represent the mounting clip. Watch more of my tutorials. There are plenty of interesting things to see there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy modeling!